So here in tools, what we see is that the smile design, I'm going to options, this and remove smile frame. The smile design itself looks very flat. See the curvature of her smile? It looks like those four centrals are on the same horizontal line. Also, if you take a look at these lateral, the lateral is also very square, so you have to rotate it a little bit, as well as rotate the distal part of these centrals a little bit so it follows the curvature of the patient's arch. So how do we do that? Here under tools, after you select the tooth, you go over here in commands, in rotation, you will find this green command. Okay, so this one, for example, will rotate to the side. After you do that, you come over here in position, and then you want to bring this slightly more towards mesial. Also, notice that the design is slightly outward on the incisal edge. For that reason, we are going to go to rotation and rotate the incisal edge inward. Notice now that the central incisor is less square because the cervical part was inside of the patient's cervical margin in the intraoral scan. And then over here on the right side, we can rotate it sideways, just like that. Okay? I'm going to now tap on this tooth over here. I will also bring this inward, sideways. Going to rotate this slightly a little bit more. There we go. And this one as well. Okay. I'm also noticing that the centrals are slightly larger than it should be. So over here we have size lateral and right. Okay, I'm going to move it. And there is a link. See left and right, and there is a link. It's flashing right now. If it's on, like it is right now, you tap on the tooth and then you will be able to change its width and height of both centrals or both laterals or both canines or any other teeth.